Proven tricks for growing your subscribers list quickly. Email marketing is all about using the right methods to engage as many people as possible through indirect email advertising. Why indirect advertising? You won't be promoting stuff outright. You'll only be leading people to spend money in your business by way of amazing email content. Now, email marketing is not something that you would do at random to see what sticks. Likewise, you would not email people at random if you're not sure about whether they would be engaged or not. The best approach is to find new leads, convert them into subscribers, and then into repeating customers. In this video, we will show you the best tricks on how to grow your subscribers list quickly. How to start growing your subscribers list. Create a high-converting website. A high-converting website is nothing but a visually appealing website that will make your visitors love your business, even if they have not bought anything from you yet. We recommend using WordPress because it is easy to use for setting up highly attractive, high-converting websites in no time. Use opt-in forms. Rookie internet marketers conform to using sign-up buttons on their websites, but nothing beats opt-in forms for growing your subscriber lists. Opt-in forms are sign-up forms that offer people the opportunity to get something from you after they subscribe to your mailing list. The ideal placements for opt-in forms are in the header, at the top right sidebar, in the middle of blog posts, and as pop-ups. Use search engine optimization to grow your lists. You don't have to be an SEO expert to successfully implement search engine optimization in your email marketing strategies. You'll only have to insert the right keywords in the content-heavy areas of your website where an opt-in form is placed. The ideal placement for SEO keywords are in blog post titles, several times within your content, in your blog post URLs, and as metadata, like in your images, file names, and descriptions. Use social media and forwarding buttons in your emails. People love to share what they like, especially on social media. So make sure to include social sharing buttons and forwarding buttons in all of your emails. Create amazing opt-in forms to grow your subscribers list. We mentioned that opt-in forms are a great way to increase the number of people subscribing to your lists. We're going to show you how to create one using a conventional email marketing service and one using our self-hosted email marketing platform of choice, MailZingo. We are going to show you how to integrate such forms on your WordPress website as well, so let's get started. Setting up an amazing opt-in form on MailZingo. Go to the Forms tab on the left side menu in your MailZingo account and click on the Create Forms button. Now enter a name for your form, select which campaigns to target, and hit Next. Select a high-converting MailZingo template by clicking on the Select Template button. Now, in the Forms editor, you'll be able to customize your thank you and already subscribed pages as defaults or as custom URLs. You'll also be able to select whether or not to send a confirmation email to your subscribers. We recommend you turn this option on. Then, you'll be able to modify the text on the template for your heading, your subheading, your social buttons as text, to insert a custom background image, and add fields to your opt-in form. Scroll down, click on Publish, and copy the JavaScript code that will appear after you are done. Setting up an amazing opt-in form on Aweber. Go to the Sign Up Forms section on the top menu bar in your Aweber account. Click on the Create Sign Up Form button and select Sign Up Form from the drop-down menu that will show up to go to the Sign Up Form editor. You'll be taken to a customizable sign-up form. Pick a template, select a nice color scheme, and click on Load Template. Now, you'll be able to use the Edit Header option to insert your headline, edit your opt-in fields, and edit the footer. Scroll down and click on Go to Step 2 once you're done. Now, you'll have to name your form and select whether to use a basic or custom URL for your thank you and already subscribed pages. Click on Save Your Form and then on Go to Step 3. Select how you would prefer to publish your opt-in form. You can select I wish to install my form to insert it by yourself on your website. My web designer will install my form if you want to email your form's code to your website admin, or have Aweber host my form to simply host your squeeze page on Aweber's servers and use their custom URL. The most practical approach is to select I will install my form and copy the JavaScript code shown in the field below. How can you insert your squeeze page into your website or blog? You'll need to paste the JavaScript code of your opt-in form inside your WordPress website's widget code. Start on your dashboard and go to Appearance and click on Widgets. Scroll down and select Text. Select Sidebar as your placement and click on Add Widget. In the title field, enter the text that you want to use for your opt-in in your website. Now, paste your form's JavaScript code in the Content field, click on Save, and on Close. The ideal placement for opt-in forms is at the top right sidebar. Click over the text widget and drag it above your first sidebar widget, and it will automatically save. Now, get ready to start growing your subscribers list.